Okay everyone, this is Joseph again, back with another video. Yes, I'm doing another video test with the XA2 Ultra from Sony. I'm doing this one in 1080p at 60 frames per second. I'm just holding the phone, walking around the park. Y'all let me know how it looks. How's the stabilization on this one? The ready shot is not enabled. You cannot set it up, so is it shaky? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna go to this tree. Y'all let me know how it sounds too, if y'all can hear that dog in the background. I'm gonna check out the focal points. Y'all let me know. That actually did pretty good. Let's see. Bam! Look at that. Let's see. That actually did pretty good. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But look, slow pan, slow pan. It looks like it's about to storm in Texas, at least where I'm at. We might get some weather this weekend or this week, but you never know with Texas. Look, the ground needs some watering anyway. But how does that ground look? I don't know. It looks pretty good on the video. Even the grass out there looks pretty good. But let's go to this fence. Bam. I don't know. It looks pretty good to me. But again, I want your opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Will y'all pick up this phone because of the cameras? I don't know. I got to do some more comparisons coming up. Like I said, I will be doing a lot more comparisons in the near future. Have a couple other videos dropping on this phone. But I just want to give y'all some quick video samples. You know, because people have been asking about the cameras. Look at the sky. Yes, that's the minivan way over there. Bam. Yes, real men drive minivans. Let's check out the rocks. I might not be able to get back up from here. But yeah, it's just been a quick video test. Y'all let me know how I look and sound. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.